So, welcome everyone, and thank you for joining today's session on the options trading with the Fox Trade. It's an new enhancements done in some Fox Trade because previously they were connected with Omnisys API, but now they have did some new enhancements, and now you can connect Fox Trade with the XTS, that is Symphony API as well. Okay, so that was the one part of getting introduced to the Fox Trade with the XTS API. Another thing, we have Miss Dipali with us from the Foxtrade team, and she'll take us to the entire journey of the Foxtrade and how we can take the opportunity or encash the opportunity exist with the options trading or the options market with the Foxtrade. So, Dipali, please take it forward.
Yes, thank you, Ankur. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So earlier, actually, we did session for general functionalities of FoxTrader. Now we will specifically talk about options part, which we have handled in a way in FoxTrader. Specifically, FoxTrader JMFS I have logged in right now, and this is going to place the trade in UAT environment. As you know that now market is actually in a halt position, so we cannot place order in a live market. So this is a UAT terminal first. Specifically, orders can be pushed in options also in three ways. First way of doing is manual trading. Okay, so I have open option chain. Currently, my desktop is set, so everything is in front of your screen. But I'll open for you one new option chain. I'll just set the mode as floating so that everything will open at the front. Now, this is an option chain. Okay, so if you will open any new option chain, so by default, we are actually opening. So by default, option chain will open with the Nifty instrument. If you want to change the instrument, then you can actually unselect this and drop down will get activated. Selected stock can be chosen for the option chain. For example, suppose you want to see the bank Nifty thing. So you can type the bank Nifty and option chain will turn into the bank Nifty contracts. So it will show you the bank Nifty contract. If you want to change the expiry, so you can go with a monthly or weekly. Okay, once respective option chain is in front of me, what it is showing? It is showing me the call related things. Okay, and put related things. Now here few more columns are there. If you want, you can make it enable using the column selection. Suppose you are doing specific delta based trade. So you can enable delta, gamma, theta. So all these options as per your choice, you can select and save your own view. So this is my own personal view where I am looking for the delta. I am taking care of strike wise PCR. Also, I'll be needing some more computational things. So here few computation also I have added, which is not a default thing. So you need to add the computed column. Now, hope my language and everything is understandable. So if anything is there which needs a little bit English or something like, so you can, inform me. Okay, so I'll just keep going. Now here you can add computed column. In computed column thing, you can add variety of computations as per your requirement. Currently, my requirement is I want whatever OI put side OI for every strike minus open interest in every call strike. So this is giving me some understanding where market is going. So I just want it should be auto updated. Okay, so I have added this and now it is updating with the live OI. So I am getting the difference. So I can clearly see that which strike price is actually a resistance, where resistance is lying, where support is there. So with this data, I can analyze option chain in more detail. Now suppose you want key, I want to place manual trade using this, whatever view I am seeing, I am okay and I am convinced ki 46,300 call will do good today. So to do the trading directly, select the thing and just press the F1. So it will select that specific call. No need to type anything. Specifically, that specific call will be selected. You can select limit, market, whatever things you want. Multiple client code if you have, and you want this trade should place in a multiple clients at a time. Suppose you are a dealer terminal. So for that purpose, you can directly select the service. For example, let's say ki this is my service where I have mapped the client, technical trader NOP. So this is the thing where I have already mapped some clients. So I want ki there are 10, 15 clients which are mapped under this service. So I want ki all those 10, 15 clients should place this specific call order with this whatever criteria I have selected. So you can directly plan such thing. You cannot directly place because this is a algo thing. So you need to first plan. Once you will plan, so it will get added into the plan order window whenever that required mapping settings are met. So from the plan order, you can directly click on the do thing. You select all and just place the thing. So it will place in all 10 to 15 accounts. Specific client code wise, if you want to do, then select F1, select the specific client code. For example, here, practice Fox code. I want to go with this. Okay. Now for that, I will say plan. So if I say plan, it get added into the plan order window. This plan order window, I think I have earlier explained. Plan order window is nothing but a clipboard, a temporary holder where all orders will get hold. You want to take action whenever you want, so you can just keep pushing these orders here. If I am okay with this order, just select it and click on do. Now this action will place the thing which is called as a manual way or one touch trading system. Now you want ki whenever this order will come into the plan order and you want it should go for the execution immediately without your click. Then for that you need to opt this auto execute button. So if this button is on and if I'll push anything, it will directly go for the trading. So you don't need to click on this do thing. Okay, so this way of trading is a fully algorithmic trading way. So here also it is applicable. Now, if you want to do more analysis with the option chains, then what you can do is you can export this whole option chain into the Excel. Like here, I have already, exported today's option chain. With the live market, all these values will keep updating. Even the OI difference which I have added will keep updating. Now suppose on the Excel you wanted to add some more analysis. There are multiple formulas you can add. So you need to understand the Excel thing first. And here data, updated data you will get. Multiple option chains you can, create. For example, I'll just do it for you once. Let's say this is the option chain. Okay, I want to export. So for that, you need to have the button DDE export. If I'll say this, so it will ask me ki which name you want to give. Let's say ki this is a bank nifty. So I am saying BNF option chain. So OPT and save. If you'll do this, it will directly open one Excel sheet and enable content will enable the thing with the live market. Updation will start with this. So you can add multiple things in the Excel. You can, highlight many rules wise cells and things so that, focus can be kept on specific criteria. So that things you can add in the Excel. So it will keep updating. Okay. So this way, people are doing analysis nowadays. So they want in Excel. So that is possible. Okay. Now, how many option chains you can open? So there are almost 6 to 7 option chains you can open. Okay, it depends how many segments you have subscribed. So normally 4 to 5 though you can definitely open. Okay, the highlighted row in the option chain is showing you where highest open interest is currently on which strike from the call side and put side. So currently in the Bank Nifty weekly thing, 46,000 wala call put is having highest open interest. So it is just highlighting that way. Okay. So this is about the option chain. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask me or you just keep it noted or you can add it in chat. We can take at the end of the session. Okay, so with this option chain analysis, now if you wanted to add any of the computation, like here I have added overall sum of the open interest of all the calls in the view. Now in the view, there are only 5 things, but suppose you wanted to add few more things in the few more steps actually. So you can definitely do it with the strikes level. For example, let's say I'm saying 10 levels I want. Okay, just select it and say 10. So it will show you the 10 levels, and with the 10 level, you can see the required sum, and whatever column sum you want, you can just add it using the grid setting. So that can be done. Okay, so any type of such computation you can add easily in the option chain. Okay, now I'm just moving ahead. What is the other way to work with the option using Fox Trader? Now in the orders menu, we have two other options like multi-leg order and advanced multi-leg order. Nowadays, see, you all know that people like to work on the very different option strategies. So we have identified few which are popular enough in the market. So all these are readily given in the template form. So all these are added in the template form. Okay, suppose you want to do something else which is not available in that list, then you can create your own template. For that also we have given you an option. Now let's say ki just wanted to go with a long butterfly. So I have selected long butterfly. In the options, whichever you want, means strike and all the things are okay, but instrument which you wanted to go with, so you can either select Nifty, Bank Nifty, whatever, strike wise, stock wise, you can select any of the NFO stock which is listed in a NFO thing. So you can select anything. Suppose I'm going with a Nifty only. I wanted to work with the latest ATM, whatever latest ATM. Currently ATM is 19,950. But I do not wanted to trade in 50 wala strike. I just wanted to go with 100 because 50s are not so volatile. So I'm just making it 100. So now it is taking 900 is a ATM. So I want to go with this ATM. Choice is yours. If you will go away, then it will go little outside. If you'll go inside, it will go in the money side. Okay, so in this way, you can change your ATM. So on that basis, on the basis of ATM, okay, you can select the legs for the butterfly strategy. Now suppose this is okay. Okay, so I'm saying okay. So it has given me the legs as per the bookish definition of butterfly. So there will be two legs which will be sell, and one leg for buy, and another one leg is for again buy. So this will be 4-leg strategy. Okay, basically it is a 3-leg, but one specific leg is having two quantity, 2 lots. Okay, so suppose you wanted to go with this, I'm okay with this. So you can select this thing. Okay, verify the strikes if you are okay, and then just simply say place. Okay, just say place. So if you place, so all these things will go to the market and it will get placed. Now it will be rejected because market is not trading now. So here only simply push the template wise legs, no other criteria. If you want to select for a specific code, then select that code. So for that code wise, you can place the legs. Okay, now if you are a dealer, then you will be having multiple things here. So one by one here you can set. Okay, but now here there is no criteria. When should I enter? When should I exit and everything? So for that, apart from this, we have given one option where you can place the advanced multi-leg order. Now what it is, advanced in the sense, simple, all those templates will be there. Upper structure will be same, like select the instrument, select the template. Okay, here I can select again the butterfly and thing, or maybe the bear put spread weekly wala strategy or monthly. So alag simple templates are given. Okay, you can select anything and accordingly legs will change. Now here offset, if you want, step, if you want, you can select accordingly, things will change. Multiple clients, if you want to place it all together. So here let's say 10 clients are there, so I can select all these 10 clients, but for these 10 clients there must be trading settings done at the dealer terminal. So that is a must thing. So every dealer will keep the trading plan for each of the client ready. Okay, so this is one time task. So every time dealer needs to do it, and this should not be changed during the runtime. This type of setting should be either you should do after market or before market start. Okay. So let's say ki I am just doing it in the practice trade. Okay. Uh, now type of order, you wanted to go with a market limit. So basically, people are preferring limit thing, because in option things the market is very volatile, so normally people wanted to verify the things and then to push. So choice is yours, you can keep market also, no problem. If I have taken trade, now suppose this is purely intraday thing I'm doing, so what I am giving instruction ki before closing of the market, before 20 minutes, 3:30 minus 20 means whatever timing is there, at that time this legs will be squared off, so it will not be carry forward for the next day. So this thing you can add. Now if suppose, okay, finally I am okay with this and just say next. So if we'll go to the next, now here you need to define the conditions which will take care of your legs, like oligo strategy. This is nothing but a oligo strategy, because here you are giving entry point, exit point, target, stop loss, when you want to trail your stop loss and everything. Okay, even while entering the things, whenever you are pushing any template, so which leg will be prior, buy type of legs or sell type of leg, so you can select that priority as per, because this will help to retain your margin. So that priority you can set. Okay, now when you are pushing limit order, so there are highly chances your any of the leg will be in the pending. So you wanted to work with such imbalance thing. So if you don't want, then you can, you need to, spread, give the spread for entry thing. For example, if I am giving 3, so it will sense the first available best 3 bid offers, and accordingly rate will be switched in between. So basically I'm giving a cushion in the limit order, so it will not stick on the single price. Nearby prices it will adjust, and it will push or make assurity that it will not be in a pending for a long. So for that this thing is given. By default we can keep 0, but choice is yours. If you want to meet it nearby, then you can make 1 2 3 4 5 up to 5. So if you'll keep 5, then there are higher chances of meeting some rate. But of course, this is in terms of options, it is a little risky. So you need to first check it with the things and then you can select this. But we have given this option. Now, this line I'm just currently just ignoring. We'll go to the premium. Now, this is a combined premium. If this is a combined premium of last selected 2 legs, now when to enter? Whenever I'm saying whenever my combined premium will come to 130. So this is what my style of way. So people can simply give 150, nearby 152, whatever you want, but you cannot exceed more than the available premium. So I'm saying whenever it will cut 152 first downside, and then it will come to upside and cut 152, then only all legs will fire. So basically entry criteria I'm giving. Similar way target, if I want to go with this and I'm saying 180 is my target, whenever 180 will achieve in terms of combined premium, all legs will be closed. Same way, stop loss. For stop loss, I'm giving 140. Okay. Now, if 140 is given, okay, I'm okay with this. Now, trailing stop loss. I'm saying break even. Let's say every 5-point move towards my target, if it achieve, then whatever stop loss I have given, just add 2 points in that, so that my stop loss will trail. Okay, so with this, I'm okay, and I'm giving the name to strategy. Let's say bear spread. Okay, and here one thing is there. Now, when I'm pushing order into the limit, then this case will arise. If I'm pushing things in the market, then there is no chance of being pending. So in case if you are giving a limit thing, then you need to give this type of setting to make sure what to do if your legs are in pending mode, because it will imbalance your template, which will affect your margin. Okay, so I'm saying ki wait for, let's say, 30 seconds and do what? First, do nothing. If anything is pending, I am okay with it. Do not do anything. Otherwise, cancel all pending orders. Mean whatever are executed in first go, keep it. All other pending, just immediately cancel. This can be the second choice. Convert all pending orders to market. So by force, I'm saying if anything is pending, after 30 seconds, it will keep checking. If anything is pending, it will be turned to the market and will get executed. And if I want, if my ratio imbalance, then I do not want it to be in that strategy. Immediately exit everything. So whatever complete, incomplete, whatever it is there, everything will be closed. So choice is yours. So you can define it pre-hand. Okay, and just say start strategy. When I say start strategy, it will keep adding all these strategies into below terminal. So this is kind of your one view terminal for all the option strategies. Now earlier, see, in the morning, I have added one butterfly strategy for which I have started with the 57 and it went till my target. So my target hit. One strategy, I stopped in between. I closed it forcefully. Okay, and another is in waiting. Why waiting? Because I have given 152 as an entry thing. So if live market is there, it will keep checking with my premium, and whenever satisfied, then and then only it will push the entries. Now for this, whatever things I have pushed, where I can verify, so strategy wise position, I have added this much. See, butterfly. Okay, so in the butterfly, this strategy I have added. Now here I have given two criterias. Two different client codes. So for one client code, it's successfully, but for one client code, only one leg pushed. Okay, so that's why other legs I have selected at that time, other legs, pending legs should cancel. So it got cancelled and only single got executed. Now with this advanced multi-leg, you can create multiple templates. You can keep it, at aligned here. And at the day start, what you need to do is, suppose you want to stop anything, you just need to select the thing, whichever template you want, and you can simply stop it. If you want to start, just verify the thing once, okay? And if everything is okay, just select the thing and start. So it will be keep checking with the live market and your entries exit will be taken care. So this is also one easy way of deploying your option strategies. Okay, so whichever favorite templates you are having, so you can add up here, and at the day start, you just need to start the things. It will take care if your machine, your internet source, everything is proper. If your machine or application is not in a running mode, then this will not be taken care. So your application should be in a start mode for this. Okay, so this is what the multi-leg order terminal. Now, apart from this, if you wanted to create your own template, then here with the help of this window, you can create any of the template using different expiries. You can have multiple strikes here for the loaded thing, and you can create your template which can be added into the defined list. Now here I have just created one test template, so I can load that test template if with the help of moneyness, and I just wanted to see which actually legs are taken. So for that sample data also you can flow, so that your template whichever you have created is actually selecting proper legs or not. So all these things can be verified. Once it is done, then you can save this template with choice name. So I can save this like 1, 2, 3, save. Okay. Once this template is saved, it will be available in the list. So this template can be used for the further whichever expiries you want. It will be having similar type of a moneyness things, and it will keep showing you the required legs. Okay, so you can create your own template apart from the default one. Okay, now this is the thing which is related to ready strategies. Now still people are having some choices ki they wanted to trade on the basis of some script and wanted to push trades in the ATM call put or any other stocks. So we have two different options. Here I have a Nifty chart, and in the Nifty chart, what is my requirement is here Nifty chart is running. Accordingly, I want ki whatever ATM as and when my stock is moving. So in the ATM call and put, I wanted to push the trade. So for that, whatever defined strategy. Now here my strategy is on the 5 minute, I am checking 15 minutes high low on the 5 minute time frame. So chart will be 5 minute, and whenever it will uh, break out 15-minute high, then I am going to take the buy entry. Similar way for the lower side, 15-minute low, if it break, then I'll go with a short side. So this is what the simple strategy is. Now here what I have done in the LSO2 order thing, I am saying ki trade will not push into the Nifty, but I am choosing weekly options for pushing the trade. This strategy also, if you want, you can run it on the selected days. Suppose you wanted to do it only on the expiry day, maybe one day before expiry or whatever your choice. So you can select such days. So if your template is loaded also, it will take care of the day wise thing. If you wanted to run it in specific time frame, let's say after 1:30 to 3 o'clock, so you can specify that time also. So it will not push trade apart from this time frame. It will be inside this defined time range. Okay, so if I'll say apply, okay, now first you need to do the required whatever setting. Okay, pasting NRML, fine, I'm sub applying, and just say get ready and take entry. So whatever my latest thing, currently my latest is 0. So basically it will not push the uh, latest trade, but the previous trade, which is actually having the long entry. So I'm saying long entry. So it is actually giving me the long entry, which get added into the plan order window. See, call is added 1900. So this call got traded also. Why it got traded? Because this execute button was on. So it gone directly without my intervention. So this will keep updating when live data is updating. So currently only last trade, so I just push it forcefully. But when live data is there, so it will keep assessing chart accordingly. My call and put will get traded. Now when next trade will come, then first it will exit the call and then take entry into maybe put or whatever ATM at that time. So call and put will keep trading as per the movement in the base chart. So you can add here Nifty chart, maybe the other stock chart, for example, Reliance, TCS, whatever. And on the basis of that, you can trade into that specific ATM. Okay, this is one way where from chart you can do this type of trading. So style will be chosen here because here it is not defined thing. Whatever super trend base, MACD base, whatever your strategy, you can run that strategy and you'll keep pushing with the ATM call and put. Now not necessary key ATM only, because here we have again given, I'll just show you here, again offset can be added. For example, here I am seeing call level 0, so it will take ATM. But suppose you have given the offset, then it will choose the outside inside. If you wanted to go inside, then you can make it -1, so that accordingly means ATM will be fixed, but you are adding little offset to actually take the position as per your appetite. So that facility can be chosen. If you do not want to label, then what you can do, I'm saying 5%. So what it means, whatever my current price, okay, so I'm saying ki 5% I'll be calculating, and during that only whatever strike is coming, then that strike should be pushed. So I'm not taking ATM also. So few people are doing on the basis of percentage. So here that option is also given, or otherwise you can directly go with the level, whatever your selection. If you do not wanted to go with the weekly, then unselect this so that it will show, send your trade into the monthly contracts. Correct? So in this way you can, manipulate with your things. Now one more choice is there. People are actually doing ki Nifty chart, but on the basis of Nifty chart, they are doing trade in stocks, not in the call put or not in the base chart. So this is base chart. So my ideally my trade should go in the Nifty. But if I want ki whenever Nifty is saying buy, then I want ki Reliance should be bought. So for that, what you can do is in the LSO thing, here instead of keeping it blank, you can add any of the symbol of your choice, so that whatever trade I'll be pushing on the basis of base chart of Nifty will go in Reliance now. Okay, so I'm saying Reliance and say apply. So if I'll say this and say get ready and start. Okay, fine. First I will change the position of the chart because it is not showing me the latest trade. It is in the white zone, which is a non-tradable zone. No trade is forming, so no problem. But here you can actually take any of the instrument at the base, select which stock is going in the same way, same direction or opposite direction. Suppose you want ki whatever Nifty is rising, so I know that ki whenever Nifty is rising, so at that time maybe IT stocks are actually falling down. So for that I can make the inverse trade. So I am selecting the thing Reliance and I am saying inverse. So whenever my base chart is saying buy, I will sell Reliance or Nifty or Infi, whatever you want. So you can align any of the instrument in this way. So it will keep placing the trade in a selected instrument, not in the base instrument. And if you want to go with a base, then simply you keep this blank and keep with the base things. These things also will not get applicable for the base chart. So it will keep trading in the base chart. So this is the way where you can actually, utilize options in the Fox Trader. Now with this, again, I will again go with a derivative summary where in a one glance you wanted to assess any of the single stock. For example, any of the stock I have chosen here Nifty Bank. So it is showing me current, near, far, month contracts, open interest, whatever required things, long built up is happening in all the things. And below side, you can have all the call put as per your selection. So I want to see only calls current with the open interest. So these are only calls which is showing me the position, how the build up is happening in different strikes, different OIs I can see. So how the resistance support is shifting in what way. So I can keep analyzing this and this will keep updating in the live market. So with this also you can analyze single instrument if you are only doing trade in the bank Nifty or Nifty. So you can open such multiple windows, okay, and you can analyze using this specific option for a single script. If you wanted to analyze multiple things, then market watch is there. Using the market watch directly I can add whatever options I want. So currently I have chosen Nifty 50. Okay, which type of expiry, current, weekly or monthly? Weekly, and I just want ki both. But if you want only call, then you can select only call. How many strikes, in the money, out the money, which type of. So all these things are done and say apply. Even OI also, if I'm okay with the OI, only 5,000 wala OI, then apply and simply select this thing and add. So it will keep market watch updated for that many calls. So your focus can be, minimized here as per your requirement, as per your selected criteria. So you can keep observing these things in a simple market watch. So this is also useful when you are observing any specific instrument. Okay. So this is related to the option things, whichever. So we have covered option chain analysis. We gone through multi-leg order, advanced multi-leg order, and underlying charts. And through charts, you can push trade in ATM call put. You can push trade in any other instrument than base chart. You can push trade in base chart only. So all these combinations you can prepare. All these prepared things you can align in any single dashboard desktop, and that desktop can be saved, for example test, and this desktop can be used whenever you want. So you just need to select this desktop, load this desktop, so all things will be as per your requirement, will be added on the desktop. Okay, so this is what. Now you can unmute. Ankur, you can ask for any queries if.
Yeah. Any queries? So you guys can please ask, or else I have so many queries. based on the Diwali's explanation. So
Hmm.
मैं तो मेरा सवाल पूछ ही लेता हूँ. Okay.
Go
So
ahead, please.
Dipali ma'am, first of all, thank you, and it's a very good insight that you have given
Hmm.
from the
Thank you.
Fox State.
Hmm.
ओके. सो एक बेसिक सवाल मेरा सबसे, वैसे तो काफी सारे, बट बेसिक सवाल सबसे पहला ये क्या था कि ऑर्डर स्लाइसिंग पॉसिबल है क्या इसमें? कैन वी
बिल्कुल पॉसिबल
स्लाइस
है.
ऑर्डर्स?
yes we can do. फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज आई वांटेड टू पुश ट्रेड इसमें F1. अभी यहाँ पर ऑर्डर स्लाइसिंग के लिए अलाउड जो ऑप्शंस में है, सो दैट इज 1800 टोटल लॉट्स आई कैन, आई गेस, पुश. करेक्ट?
हम्म.
So exchange is saying, but suppose I wanted to go with 3000 or something like that.
हम्म.
So I'm saying 3000. And if I wanted to place this, so it will show me one order will push with 1800 quantity and second order will be remaining quantity.
Okay.
So when I will push this, so my job is done. It will internally split the things and push with the required or allowed quantity by the exchange.
Okay.
So this will be done.
Okay. Okay. Another
And this can
thing.
be done
Okay.
and this can be done in multiple accounts also actually.
मतलब?
Okay, but suppose you place the thing. Now if you'll place, let's say ki here you have given only 3000. Now
हम्म.
just imagine that ki I have given 30,000.
हम्म.
Okay, so this will be huge enough.
हम्म.
Now suppose this is actually a limit order.
हम्म.
Let's say ki I have given 70 something and I place this. Okay, so just say place and say place. I am saying place, it will get added into the orders thing. Okay, in the order thing, see, you can see multiple orders got added.
हम्म.
Now with this order, suppose I want to modify because currently it is rejected, but in the live market it will be in the pending thing. Now all these
Okay.
multiple orders are placed on the 70 limit price. So we
हम्म.
have given the modify selected thing. So it will show you all these orders only one row. So that one row, if you will modify, it will get modified for all the placed orders.
Okay.
So you don't need to modify each order by manual things.
हम्म.
You can directly select one node. That node will be modified and whatever respective orders are open, all get modified in one set.
Okay.
So this is really useful.
Okay.
Okay.
अगला सवाल पे चले?
Please.
So, just you shown this multi-leg and advanced multi-leg, correct? So, how many legs it's possible to be, started on one time?
Currently, there is no limit. Currently, there is no limit because if you want to create anything, now one option here is either you can directly use the template. Okay, so template based. But suppose anyone is saying that I do not wanted to go with template, I will add my legs by my own.
Hmm.
So you just remove this template mode.
Okay.
And search the instrument. Okay. Search instrument, add it. Any number of selections can be done. You can simply keep adding and you can create the template. So here simple one call put also can be traded like a bracket order thing.
Okay.
Okay, and if you wanted to add 10 legs also in your strategy, then you can define such template and you can load that template. So that is of your choice.
Okay. So currently there is no legs. No legs is been
No
compulsory. It can
limitation.
be unlimited.
Yeah,
Correct.
correct.
Okay. Another thing is, चलो ये तो मतलब this we have connected multi-legs and all things. Now it's been connected via API, correct? Okay. So it's already, obviously it's been going to get connected with the internet or something, correct? Now suppose there is a down time in the internet connection and all, and order placement is still on because now it's been partially executed and there is a sudden disconnection in internet. Then what will happen to the orders? Ma'am, okay, I ask
Hello.
one question.
Yeah,
Like,
please.
if there is a sudden disconnection in internet
Hmm.
or ends in disconnection in API, then what will happen to the orders?
See, normally, suppose this happen. So normally what we are doing is we are halting the trading system, because this whatever disconnection or interruption is there, we cannot predict it is for 2 seconds or 20 minutes. So during that we need to rephase the whole data, because you also know that if some ticks are missed in between, then your computation, your study computation will be wrong. Maybe it happened earlier by signal, okay, we may turn into the negative short signal due to the in between missing of the candles. So this happened normally, or this is very once in a blue case, but this may happen. I cannot deny कि हाँ ये 100% कि ये होगा ही नहीं, ये मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ, ये हो सकता है. बट इसके लिए normally अगर आप if you are using the dealer terminal and you are having such critical system in the market, then I will suggest that you should go for the cloud machine where internet will be secured, or not fluctuation will not be. Suppose from your end your cloud get disconnected, but still FoxTrader will keep running. Now the issue will come when the FoxTrader broadcast servers are interrupted. But for that we have also a mechanism where there also we will hold the trades in case of this, and this happens very rare. But this may happen because this is a system, this is a software. I cannot guarantee you कि 100% things will run in a like whatever desired things. So some glitch may come, but this should be very negligible. This should not be the regular case.
Now there's one more question in the chat box. Can I buy or sell quantity at VWAP or time interval?
VWAP, on the basis of VWAP. So you can make the VWAP based strategy. Yes, you can.
So it's possible, correct? Can you show if possible?
See, currently it is very difficult. Basically, if you wanted to add VWAP based strategies, so if I have something ready, I will try to show. Okay. See, VWAP ultimate strategy. We have one VWAP based strategy. Okay, so in this we have added VWAP, and in the using the VWAP, actually this is in the running mode. See, this is a multiple time frame thing, so it is not getting. So this is a VWAP based thing. So on the basis of VWAP, we have added some percentage band, and we are trading on the basis of this band breakout. So this type of strategies can be done on the VWAP. But suppose he is asking me ki you want to do the scalping thing. Okay, so for scalping also you need to define the strategy in that way. Easily scalping is not directly available, but in a way, if you will tweak the LSO to order thing, which is actually order sending thing, so you can create multiple things, multiple layered things, and at the different layer you can push the quantities as per your choice, but you need to predefine the things. You cannot do it in a runtime. So for example, suppose I wanted to go with 100 lots. I know that at the day start, today I am going to trade 100 lots of some of the strike. So I will first push 20, then next 20, then maybe 30, and then remaining. So criteria I can define, but this 20 will be fixed. Every time 20, 20, 30, whatever things are there, so that will be fixed. So you can define in a layered structure. So that is possible.
Okay.
Okay.
And how many chart frames I can open?
Around 40, 45 you can open.
In a single application?
Yes, in a single application.
And will it be impacted on your application? Like
No,
hang
actually,
होगा या delay in broadcast
that
or
is, मैं बताती हूँ उसका भी. अगर सपोज आप कोई भी चार्ट ओपन करते हो तो डिस्प्ले में जब आप लाइव ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो ना, तो आपको 10 दिन का हिस्टोरिकल इंट्राडे डेटा इनफ होता है. अगर आप प्रीमियम लेवल का एप्लीकेशन यूज करते हैं तो आप लास्ट 500 डेज का डेटा लोड कर सकते हैं, बट लाइव ट्रेडिंग में आपको 500 डेज की जरूरत ही नहीं होती है. अभी आप ये जो सब ड्राइंग जो मेरे स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो, दिस इज नथिंग बट अ पेंटिंग. आप ही इमेजिन कर लो कि अगर लेट से कि 5 सेकंड का या जो भी मेरा 1 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम आ रहा है, तो मेरा 1 मिनट का ये जब कैंडल मेरा बन रहा है, जब लाइव फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, तब हर बार उसमें टिक ऐड होती है। अगर मैंने इसमें एसएमए भी प्लॉट किया और इसमें 10,000 बार है, तो वो पूरा 10,000 बार का कंप्यूटेशन करने जाता है।
हम्म।
क्योंकि तब तक मुझे लेटेस्ट बार पे वैल्यू क्या आएगी और वो करेक्ट है कि नहीं है, ये पता नहीं चलेगा। अगर टेक्निकली देखा जाए तो इसीलिए चार्ट पे अगर आप लाइव ट्रेडिंग के दौरान डेज कम रखो तो इट विल डेफिनेटली परफॉर्म वेल। अगर आप पूरा डेटा एक साथ देखना चाहते हो जिसकी एक्चुअली कोई जरूरत, अगर मैं इस फॉर्म में डेटा देख रही हूँ तो यू टेल मी कि आपको क्या समझ में आएगा।
हम्म।
बट अगर यही चीज मैंने ओनली 200 बार रखी है तो दिस इज समथिंग विच आई कैन फॉलो, आई कैन सी, आई कैन हैव समथिंग सम अंडरस्टैंडिंग बाय सीइंग दिस। तो अगर आप बैक टेस्टिंग कर रहे हो तो डेफिनेटली यू नीड मोर डेज। तो बैक टेस्टिंग इज अ ऑफ मार्केट एक्टिविटी, वो नॉर्मली कोई लाइव ट्रेडिंग सेशन में बैक टेस्टिंग करता नहीं है,
हम्म।
मतलब करना
हाँ।
नहीं चाहिए। दैट इज व्हाट माय सजेशन। क्योंकि सिस्टम है, अलाउ कर रही है, इसलिए आप जितना आप और ले तो मशीन और उसका रैम वगैरह जो है उन्होंने भी उतना हैंडल करना चाहिए। बिकॉज साथ में फॉक्स ट्रेडर के साथ में आपके और 10 एप्लीकेशंस भी शायद से रन होंगे बैकएंड पे। तो वो सब आपके सीपीयू और प्रोसेसर और मेमोरी पे लोड देगा ही, एंड इट विल डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट। क्योंकि सब कुछ मेमोरी में रखा जाता है। व्हेन यू आर ओपनिंग एनी चार्ट तो पूरा कंप्यूटेशन जो है वो मेमोरी में है, रैम में है।
ओके।
तो अगर आप मिनिमम रखो, जैसे अगर यहाँ पर हमने एक ऑप्शन दे रखा है, देखो यहाँ पर जब मैं ये चार्ट पे किसी 15 मिनट के या 1 मिनट के चार्ट पे अगर ये स्ट्रैटेजी रन कर रही हूँ ना, तो इट रिक्वायर्ड ओनली लास्ट 2 डेज का डेटा। इधर लिखा है रिक्वायर्ड 2 डेज।
हम्म। अच्छा।
बट आप अगर इस पे 200 दिन का डेटा लोड करोगे तो क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा? वैल्यूज में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा,
ओके।
बट आपका सिस्टम के परफॉर्मेंस पे डेफिनेटली फर्क पड़ेगा।
ओके, सो यू मीन दैट स्टडी मैनेजर के अंदर ऑन सिलेक्शन ऑफ स्पेसिफिक स्टडी यू हैव
यस,
ऑलरेडी एडेड एन इंटेलिजेंस कि
यस,
कितने दिन का डेटा रिक्वायर्ड
करेक्ट,
है।
करेक्ट,
ओके, वेरी गुड,
बिल्कुल।
वेरी गुड, फैंटास्टिक।
हम्म।
अच्छा, है ना? अच्छा मैम,
तो आप अपने रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से उसको ऐड और जब भी कम करना है कर सकते हो। कहाँ से कम कर सकते हो? तो रेडी ऑप्शन दिया है आपको, कोई सपोर्ट की हेल्प की जरूरत नहीं। यहाँ जाके इंट्राज जो है मैंने अभी 10 दिन का लोड किया है, इफ यू वांट आप यहाँ से बढ़ा कम सकते हो। ओनली आप बढ़ाते हो देन यू डोंट नीड रिस्टार्ट एप्लीकेशन। बट अगर कम करते हो तो आपको एक रिस्टार्ट चाहिए, क्योंकि मेमोरी में ज्यादा दिन ऑलरेडी लोडेड है। उसको कम करना है तो एप्लीकेशन को रिस्टार्ट होना जरूरी है। राइट। हाँ, या गो एड पूछो।
अभी कितने मतलब यूजर्स यूज कर रहे हैं ये पर्टिकुलर एप्लीकेशंस को?
देखो एप्लीकेशन की बात करें तो अभी हमारे जो है 27+ ब्रोकर ऑन लाइव है।
ओके।
तो ओवरऑल हमारा जो क्लाइंट बेस है वो अराउंड आप 1000 के रेंज में आप एक्टिव पर डे आप पकड़ सकते हो।
ओके।
आई एम सेइंग वेरी रफ फिगर बिकॉज ये फिगर मेरे पास भी नहीं है, आई एम नॉट इन अ सेल्स, सो मुझे पता नहीं है वो चीज, लेकिन मैं एक रफली आपको बता रही हूँ।
और वो सारे के सारे फुल्ली ऑटोमेटेड में है या सेमी ऑटोमेटेड में?
ना, फुल्ली ऑटोमेटेड तो वो चॉइस है, बट नॉर्मली लोग आज भी मैंने देखा है दो की अलगो ट्रेड बहुत फेमस होता जा रहा है कि लोग सारे अलगो करना चाह रहे हैं। बट एक्चुअली अभी भी जो एक्चुअल खुद के पैसे के साथ मतलब ट्रेड करते हैं ना, वो सब मैन्युअली वेरीफाई करके ट्रेड करना ही पसंद करते हैं।
सो सेमी
मतलब
ऑटोमेटेड।
या सेमी ऑटोमेटेड इज मोर रनिंग
ओके।
एंड मोर प्रेफरेबल।
ओके। ओके, तो ये पर्टिकुलर डीलर के लिए है या मतलब इवन एंड क्लाइंट भी यूज कर सकते हैं? इट्स लाइक
एंड क्लाइंट भी यूज कर सकता है, क्योंकि एंड क्लाइंट का क्या है ना, एंड क्लाइंट के दो पर्पज है। एक, वो खुद के लिए ट्रेड करेगा। दूसरा, अगर उसका ट्रेडिंग काफी अच्छा है तो वो अपना एडवाइजरी रन कर सकता है।
ओके, सो इट कैन
मतलब
बी।
मेरे फॉक्स से सिग्नल मैं किसी और को पब्लिश कर सकती हूँ। तो अगर मेरे पास मेरे 10-12 फ्रेंड्स हैं जो मेरे ट्रेडिंग नॉलेज पे उनका कॉन्फिडेंस है, तो मैं उनको मेक श्योर करा सकती हूँ कि आप फॉक्स ले लो। जो भी मेरा ट्रेडिंग नॉलेज तो मैं शेयर नहीं करूंगी, बट मैं ट्रेड शेयर कर सकती हूँ।
मतलब
सो
स्ट्रेटेजी
वो
आप शेयर
उस
कर
तरह
सकते
से, हाँ, नहीं स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं, स्ट्रैटेजी के ऊपर जो मेरे बाय एंड सेल आएंगे उतने मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी। अगर आपको भरोसा है मेरे नॉलेज पे तो आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो।
हो। ओके, दैट इज सिग्नल, बेसिकली सिग्नल जो आया वो आप शेयर
सिग्नल
कर
पे,
सकते
हाँ, हाँ,
हैं। करेक्ट।
हाँ।
अच्छा, इज देयर एनी मतलब कोई ऐसा ऐसा इश्यू ऑब्जर्व हुआ जहाँ पे कोई ज़्यादा मूवमेंट आ गई या लार्ज कोई तो ट्रेड आया एंड सिस्टम ने परफॉर्म करना बंद कर दिया, समथिंग लाइक दैट? आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग दिस,
अ, हाँ,
so don't feel bad.
नहीं ये कैसे है, ये सिनेरियो आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना, तो अभी कई बार मैं खुद कुछ ब्रोकर का मेरा डीमैट है, तो मैंने ये चीजें ओवरऑल लेवल पे ऑब्जर्व किए, जब बहुत अनेक अजीब टाइप की वोलेटिलिटी ड्यू टू एनी ऑफ द पॉलिसी और समथिंग जब आती है ना, तो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल सबका मतलब सबका शायद से काइट में अकाउंट होगा, तो मेरा भी है, तो मैंने देखा है कि कई बार वो नॉन ऑप्स हो जाता है।
हुँ, हुँ।
ये मैंने खुद भी नोटिस किया है। ठीक है,
ओके।
तो ये चीज जो है ये मोमेंटरी हो सकती है, मैं बिल्कुल ही डिनाई नहीं करती हूँ, बट हर चीज का एक रीजन होता है, और अब तक हमने फॉक्स ट्रेडर में कई सारे ऐसे इश्यूज, क्लाइंट स्पेसिफिक इशू, क्योंकि 100 क्लाइंट यूज करते हैं, उसमें से हो सकता है 2-4 क्लाइंट को कुछ अलग इशू आ जाए, तो वो डेफिनेटली हमारा ये रहेगा कि वो क्या केस है वो आइडेंटिफाई करके विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्लाइंट हम लोग उसको क्लोज करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे। ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि कोई भी इशू अनसॉल्व है, कि ये हो ही नहीं सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता। हाँ, डेफिनेटली हम पुटअप डालेंगे तो वो सॉल्व हो सकता है। सो ऐसे
ओके।
इशू आ सकते हैं, अगर आते हैं और आपको अगर किसी में से मतलब जो भी अटेंड कर रहे हैं उन किसी को भी फेस होता है, तो थोड़ा सा अगर आप मशीन शेयर करके कुछ कोऑपरेशन वैसे करते हो, तो क्योंकि क्या है ना, फ्रैंकली हम आपका कुछ भी डेटा सर्वर लेवल पे स्टोर नहीं करते हैं। तो
हुँ,
अगर
हुँ।
मैं चाहूँ कि एक्स वाई जेड क्लाइंट का कुछ इश्यू है, तो मैं बैकएंड पे कुछ फाइल्स चेंज करके देख लूँ, तो दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी पॉसिबल। मुझे उसके लिए आपका मशीन वेरीफाई करना जरूरी है,
हुँ।
तभी वो लॉग्स फाइल्स, क्योंकि हम आपका कुछ भी स्टोर नहीं करते, वी आर नॉट एक्चुअली स्टोरिंग एनीथिंग अबाउट द क्लाइंट्स, जो भी ट्रेड कर रहा है या जो भी सेटिंग्स वो यूज कर रहा है, एवरीथिंग विल बी लोकली स्टोर्ड।
ओके, ओके, फ्रॉम माय साइड गाइस, आप लोग का कोई क्वेरी, कोई क्वेश्चंस, एनीथिंग यू कैन आस्क हर, इफ नॉट देन विल वाइंड अप देन।
मैम इसके चार्जेस क्या हैं और कैसे एक्टिवेट होगा?
आई थिंक इसके लिए अमित अमित आपको आइडिया दे देंगे। अमित को आप ये क्वेरी कर लेना, जो भी रेट्स है, क्योंकि जेम को हम काफी अफोर्डेबल रेट्स में एप्लीकेशन दे रहे हैं, सो वो रेट्स मेरे ख्याल से अमित आपको शेयर कर देंगे, राइट अमित?
Uh,
अमित है क्या?
please,
या
please
अंकुर?
mail to online support for
हम्म,
activation and charges and all. Please mail to online support at JMFL. We'll help you out in that.
ओके।
Okay. आप
ओके, कुछ और क्वेरीज
ट्रायल
है?
ट्रायल प्रोवाइड करते हैं, डेमो या ट्रायल?
यस यस, ट्रायल बिल्कुल ट्रायल है। ट्रायल आप जो प्रीमियम लेवल का आप अराउंड एक वीक से अगर 2-4 दिन और ज्यादा, मीन्स आप लगा लो कि एक 10 डेज के लिए आप फ्री ट्रायल ऑप्ट कर सकते हो, इंक्लूडिंग अल्गो वाला सिस्टम। किसी एक सेगमेंट के लिए आप अल्गो भी इनेबल करा सकते हैं।
ओके, एंड ट्रेनिंग?
ट्रेनिंग आप जब इंस्टॉल करते हैं तो नॉर्मली सपोर्ट से एक ट्रेनिंग जाता ही है, और अगर क्लाइंट को कुछ स्पेसिफिक उसका लॉजिक के ऊपर कुछ काम करना है, तो ही कैन मतलब हमारे जो सपोर्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव उनसे टाई अप करके आफ्टर मार्केट, मतलब नॉर्मली ये चीजें पोस्ट मार्केट वाली होती है, तो कोई स्ट्रैटेजी अगर बनवानी है तो दिस पीपल कैन हेल्प यू।
ओके, उसका कुछ चार्ज लेते हैं आप?
अगर कुछ मिनिमल स्ट्रैटेजीज है इनिशियल लेवल पे, तो वो नॉर्मली फ्री ही रहती है, बट अगर कुछ कॉम्प्लेक्स लॉजिक है विच विल इन्वॉल्व मच टाइम, तो उस केस में कुछ नॉमिनल चार्ज शायद से होगा, बट कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी देख के, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि छोटा सा स्ट्रैटेजी है उसके लिए कोई चार्ज नहीं होता है, बट अगर कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इन्वॉल्वमेंट ज्यादा है तो फिर वो चार्जेबल रहेगा।
ओके, ओके देन, है ना? सो गाइस, shall we wind up?
तो अगर किसी को डेमो करना है तो वो अमित से कांटेक्ट करे, वी विल हेल्प यू टू इंस्टॉल डेमो, एंड सो यू कैन हैव अ डिटेल 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग आल्सो।
ओके।
मैम जो डेमो करना है वो ब्रांच डीलर का जो टर्मिनल है उस पे भी हो जाएगा ना डेमो? कोई इशू थोड़ी है।
ब्रांच डीलर टर्मिनल पे तो हो ही जाएगा, क्यों नहीं होगा? मतलब इसमें कुछ अलग है क्या? अंकुर जी आप थोड़ा बता सकते हो क्या कुछ अलग होता है?
नहीं, हो सकता है, कोई इशू नहीं है उसमें।
हो ना, ठीक।
ठीक, ठीक है अंकुर भाई।
ठीक है, then we'll wind up.
Yeah. Sure.
Chalo.
Thank you
Thank you
everyone
so
for
much. It's great.